Hello friends, welcome to my channel Power of IT, myself Dr. Amish Kumar Chaubey. Today we are going to discuss how you can able to record the attendance of your sessions on Microsoft Teams. Let's get started. As you all know that due to COVID-19 situation, many universities are conducting their sessions online. If you are an educator, it is your responsibility to record and to maintain all the attendance of your classes. This tutorial is not only meant for the educator. If you are running a small business or whether you are running a big business and when you want to hold a departmental meeting in your office, this particular tutorial is also meant for you. This tutorial is going to help you how to understand how you can able to download the attendance list of all your sessions in Excel file. Before you start the session, you have to keep this one thing in your mind. This feature is disabled by the Microsoft by default, and if you need to use this feature, you need to ask your organizational admin to enable this feature. Once this feature is enabled, all the organizers will get an opportunity to download the attendance sheet. Okay, so let's get started and learn how you can do it. So let's open the Microsoft Teams. For this particular demo session, I have already created a meeting. Let's join this meeting. Now, as you can see, I'm the only participant, or maybe I'm the organizer right now. So I'm gonna now request one of the participants to join this session just to see how this attendance recording system works. Now I request Nisha to please join the session. Now as you can see, she has joined the session. So please understand, if you are taking an online session, in my case, I have only one participant. But if in your case, if participants are more than 100, participants are more than 500, then it is very difficult for any organizer to keep a record of all the attendees. So now I'm going to request Nisha to please leave this meeting. Now you can see she's leaving. So once your session is finished and when you want to record the list of participants, you can see this particular button over there. It says download attendance list. Click this particular link and it will take few minutes or few seconds to download the attendance list. Now the list has been downloaded. You just need to minimize this icon, this application program, and open the download folder. Now you can see this is the latest one. Open this particular file and you can see the list of all the participants and the organizers in this particular CSV file, and you can see when they have joined with the timestamp and when they have left this meeting. So with the help of this particular feature, all the organizers can keep a track record of all the attendance of their session, and if they wish to follow up with all the defaulters, they may do so. I hope you have learned something from this session. Please do subscribe my channel, do share and like, and please stay safe. Thank you so much.